is From Potential to Excellence, Cultivating Talents at Tubigon West National High School. Once again, From Potential to Excellence, Cultivating Talents at Tubigon West National High School.
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. First and foremost, I would like to greet all of the people who's with us today. A pleasant morning. From that topic, I realized that if you have a full of potential, then later on to the future, you will reach a long-term success. Through that, in the future, our society will be filled with professional people that is creative and has fast critical thinking. Well, our school, Tubigon West National High School, is the #1 supporter in cultivating talents and shaping our own minds. Like the organizations they have made and the contests, the friendly competitions they have made. They put pressure, but other people think that their idea of pressure is that it's negative. But actually, for me, it is a fuel to improvements. Why? Because without pressure, then there would be no movement of us at all. Let us go beyond and not stick with the term of the pressure that it's all about negativity. Let us remember that pressure is the one why diamonds are made. And through cultivating or shaping minds, there is a possibility that our full potential, we would reach it. And because of that, we can help other people as well in guiding them, like our teachers who gives or share their knowledge and that really inspire us to be better and improve ourselves. That's all. I'm Christine Camille C. Mahomot. Thank you for listening and watching me here today. I hope you learned something from me and I hope you enjoyed my performance. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 2.